So just finished inside a loft in Bridlington. This house had a problem with ventilation, but it wasn't just a PIV that we've installed. We've actually installed the PIV, which I'll show you in a second, and also two quite special extract fans, fairly new to the market. So I'm going to show you those. So before I do that, I just want to quickly show you how we've arranged all the ducting up inside the loft. First of all, the loft has got now a split duct here. It's going then up to a rooftop vent or a ridge vent on the vent, the ridge of the roof. We've managed to keep two all rigid ducting all the way through, so they've got separate bathroom and then a separate shower, which is just through there. I don't know if you can see that, it's a bit dark under here. And so we've come all the way up there with two sections of rigid duct up to the central ridge vent there. Okay, so I'll show you quickly downstairs. The PIV is actually installed in here also, so that's suspended just from there, and that's actually exiting on the landing. I'll show you. So here on the upstairs landing, there's the diffuser vent there for the PIV, and in the separate shower room we've got here, we've installed one of the new Zvara fans from Ventaxia. These are Bluetooth enabled fan that run with continuous background ventilation and high-tech humidity sensing, light sensing, and all the rest of it. So there are two. There's another one here we've fitted up to there. As I say, they're ducting quite freely now into the all the rigid ducting up into the loft and out through the vent.